Today we're going to be looking at something interesting, and that will be the Razer Project Linda concept. So let's look at this interesting device, shall we? Project Linda is a concept that Razer unveiled at CES 2018 recently, and I thought it would be interesting to talk about this concept. So basically, Project Linda is gonna be a laptop powered by a phone, more specifically the Razer phone. So you will have a laptop that will be powered by your Razer phone, which is pretty interesting. So let's get into the rest of it. So this concept is basically Razer's vision of bringing the best of both worlds, with the Razer's performance display and dual front-fired speakers combined seamlessly with Linda's larger screen, keyboard, and battery to provide what they call their ultimate mobile hybrid setup for gaming, creativity, and productivity. And just to let you guys know, since it's going to be powered by the Razer phone, it will most naturally be using Android. No brainer, just letting you know for those who don't know. So the display for the Project Linda will be Quad HD with 13.3 inches and extends the 120Hz experience, which is available on the Razer phone, to the larger display. So you get that same 120Hz experience that you get from the phone to this display, so you won't be missing out on that. And the Razer phone, which has a 5.7-inch touchscreen, function as a touchpad or as an interactive second touch display, depending on what application you're using, whether it be a photo app or a game. So it acts as both trackpad and secondary touch display. And it has built-in backlit keyboards powered by Razer Chroma, so you get RGB lighting and so forth for all the Razer fans out there. So that will still be on this. And also you can game as well, like on any Razer laptop, like the Razer Blade, where you can connect it with the mouse for precise control and with the built-in keyboard, and take advantage of that second display to play some awesome games for Final Fantasy or whatever you're into. And for power, it features a built-in power bank that quickly charges the Razer phone while it's docked, and also with 200 gigabytes of internal storage on the Project Linda. So this is going to be great if you have your phone and the Project Linda on you, and it's going to be good for storing stuff like files and so forth while on the go. And also, another thing to mention, it has been crafted and designed with CNC aluminum, which is durable, and secondly, this has a thickness of 0.59 inches. So that is going to be somewhat thin and light for you to take on the road. And you also have the advantage of a headphone jack as well. And it's pretty easy to activate Project Linda. Once you dock it, all you need to do is just press the power button and it will turn on instantly. So it won't be hard to operate this. So that is it basically for the Project Linda. Tell me what you guys think about this concept, and if this is the future of combining smartphones and laptops. Like, is this the future of mobility, where we can easily have our smartphone and laptops integrating with one? So comment your thoughts below, like this video, share it. See you guys in the next one. Subscribe for more.